Well, as you can see, the flight did not go well with this Kwadbox. We've got a few damages here. It looks like maybe they dropped it out of a bomber or something. Then again, it may be USPS's fault. I don't know. But man, someone said on that, maybe Ace Ventura got a hold of it. I have no idea. So let's go take a look at what's in this box, and hopefully everything's okay. All right. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like we got a shirt. Nice and white. Woohoo! A nice cool white shirt to wear during the summer. Woo! Exciting. Looks like a Ladrib shirt. Little pink, purple eyeliner. Yay. All right. That's pretty good. Looks like we got some props here. Looks like they are 5046C Cyclones. Purple. Looks like we've got 3 sets of them here. All right. And then we got some Rotor Riot, little put it under your motor as skids. I don't know if they're 3D printed or what, but there's 4 of them in there, obviously, for a quadcopter. And, well, guys, that's it. I thought there was going to be a bonus in here or something. I mean, what's going on? I'm going to assume the postman is putting a flight controller in his quad about right now. Because if I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to be coming with a DYS F4. Looks like maybe, I ain't even got the stickers. I mean, guys, you know I need the stickers. I mean, especially if it's got the Joshua Bardware face on it. That'd be awesome. Some more of them, right? So, yeah. I think I'm missing some tweezers, too. Man, I got robbed this month. Huh. But you know what? We got some good guys over there at Kwadbox, and they take care of their customers. So I do appreciate them getting back with me, because look what I got here. A nice private package just for me. So Kwadbox, good team over there. They took care of it. So let's see what else we got here. We got some stickers. Oh, me, no Joshua Bardware stickers. But hey, we got a Ladrib. That's a good one. All right, what? Detroit FPV Harder. Huh. All right, them are some pretty nice stickers. And we got our tweezers here. And look, I am not missing a bolt out of mine. They must have hand-picked these nice tweezers for me. All right, whoa. All right, let's see right here. What do we got here? We got a DYS F4 Pro V2 flight controller. So that is awesome. Yes, I am loving this. Hopefully it comes with the next month. Maybe we'll get the 4-in-1 ESC to attach to it. That'd be awesome. So, yep, looks like it's 2 to a 6S. It's got a 5-volt BEC on it, 3 amps, built-in OSD, current meter, dampening, mounting, RSSI port, PPM port. We need that. And a 3.3 output. So, excited to open that up and look at it. But thanks again for watching, and I guess you already know what's in the box by now. So looks like we got it's let's see, June the 5th. So they were able to get my stuff sent out and replacement, and well, they took care of all of it. So thanks again. Good work out there, Kwadbox. Pretty overall satisfied with the box. Especially if we get a 4-in-1 ESC to go with this next month maybe. I need some good motors to go with it. So yeah, please make sure that it's 30 amp ESCs and not the 20 amps. I'd appreciate that. Hopefully they're their 4-in-1 ESC with the DOYS that goes with this. Hopefully it's 6S capable. I don't know. But yeah, thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Make the ground shake.